Page 16, Polka, Opus 39, number 2, by Kabalesvsky. Common time, no sharps or flats, but this time the left hand has the melody and the right hand gets the umchuk thingies. So let's start with the right hand. You're starting with thumb and third finger here. You're in this position to start, and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep the hand where it is, just bring the thumb down. Second measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the second line. You're here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can bring in the right, leave the hand where it is, bring the little finger up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the whole hand comes down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's what you're saying. And the last measure, if you want to do 2 and 3, there's fine. And I typically would because I like to connect the notes. But you can also use their fingering if you. I don't care. Make sure you connect the top note though. That's important. Connect them both. Like that. It's up to you and your teacher. Left hand gets the melody, but again, we got treble clef there. So you're up here. You're in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good until the second line. Then the second measure, you got to reach up here, and then when you do that, you can bring the rest of the hand up because I need these. And then for the next measure, you just scrunch up a little bit and go here. I'll come back to that move in a minute. Put the hands together. We're here. So you're playing the right hand on the off beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and that gets tricky. So just work this out. So you can play both hands. Go as slow as you need to, but get rid of the hesitations. The beat has to be steady. Then when you do that, you can put in these articulations. On the right hand, it's staccatos, nice light wrist staccato, and I'm bouncing off the keys. I'm on the key and I just bounce off it. The left hand's legato. Now you're doing 2 different things in the hands again, so good luck with that, but it's important you be able to do that. And then when you get down to the second line, now here, because of the articulation, you're going to lift up in the left hand. You don't have to scrunch up here, you can just lift up and move. And some teachers don't teach you to scrunch up anyway. That's up to the teacher. I do, but in this case you don't have to. You can just lift up and move. So the measure 6. Like so. Dynamics, they don't give you a lot. It's moderately loud, and that's the left hand. That's whatever moderately loud is, that's what it is. Keep this right hand a little softer. Second line, you get a little louder. Go up to there. And go back. You can go back down to a moderately loud. You can go down to a moderately soft if you want. Since it's at the end of the piece, you can get a little softer. It doesn't tell you how soft to get. You're just getting softer in the last 2 measures. Whatever. But it's the left hand. That's the melody. Allegretto is I call that a fun speed. It's just it's polka. It's a fun thing. It's between moderato and allegro. It's somewhere in there. It's a fast. It's not fast. It's fun. My impression of it. Some people will play it different, and that's wonderful. You go right ahead. Now, something I might mention here right quick, I should have mentioned it videos ago, but in the last few videos, your hands, instead of being down here, both of them are being up in this area. And the tendency people will have when they do that is they'll want to move. You want to sit a little closer so your hands stay in front of you. I would encourage you to stay where you are. Stay in the middle of the piano and learn to, you're just twisting your torso a little bit, and learn to reach out and play these when they're not centered. That's good practice. So I encourage you, don't move to do this. Stay in the middle and just reach up and do this from here. Yeah. I would like to play with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms, because the hands are doing weird things here. So I'm going to give us 4 counts, and let's do it slowly together. Not going to do the dynamics, just the notes and the rhythms and the staccatos and stuff. 1, 2, ready, go.